The 550-watt cordless stick vacuum cleaner boasts powerful suction capabilities, making it highly effective for picking up fine dust and stubborn particles. With up to 55 minutes of runtime, this vacuum can handle large cleaning tasks on a single charge, providing convenience and efficiency. Its unique anti-tangle V-shaped floor brush prevents hair from getting caught, reducing the need for frequent maintenance during cleaning. The LED touchscreen and headlights offer real-time status updates and illuminate dark corners, ensuring no dust or debris is left behind. Equipped with a large 1.5-liter dust cup, this vacuum reduces the frequency of emptying, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The one-touch dust removal feature makes disposing of collected debris easy and mess-free, enhancing the overall user experience.